When you take Barn Road, you will want to get off on 1700 and head east, because Barn south of 17 is dirt.
Okay.
Loose dirt.
Loose dirt. Okay. So 17 and over, and then I'll be down there somewhere.
Yep. All right. I'll be going down to 4 and 15.
Okay. So we're gonna have this one coming up from going north, and we've got this squall line coming from the west. So just be advised on that too. So.
Yeah, that squall line is.
I got a little bit of coverage.
That squall line is just now getting ready to hit New Cambria.
Yeah. Yep, it's blowing through New Cambria right now. At least none of it's warned yet. But
Tell you what, man, I got a heck of a good picture earlier of a big punch cloud that wound up turning into warned before it even turned in.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we'll let you guys go, and we'll yell at you in a little while.
All right, man.
All right.
Be careful.
Later. Will do.
I'm holding on to those shitter. Yeah, that one's curving.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Not that second one. It's time to get the regular phone out. Ooh, that thing's bright. I'm gonna turn that down.
I am.
Ah, shoot, I just dropped the phone.
I got to take a piss.
Junction City's gonna get rain probably by 10, and then we have another cell that'll be at the house by 10:26. Okay. Yep, get inside. I said, yep, get inside. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's what probably the notification was. I gotta find my other phone. Oh. Okay. Yep, we're what, Navarre's how far? 20 minutes from southwest of the house. Yeah. You go over to Abilene and go south, and then back west.
I wonder if I should report that hail.
Yeah, probably. Alright. Lightning. Alright, I'm gonna get off here. He's calling National Weather Service. Alright.
National Weather Service, Topeka.
Yeah, this is DK 101 and DK 103. We're in Navarre. And it looks like they had, they had good sized hail here.
Okay, do you have an estimate of that?
Dime size, I think.
Dime size, okay.
Yeah, and that's with that storm that's heading towards Chapman. We just blasted here from Salina. We were watching that coming in, and we just got to Navarre and noticed that there was leaves stripped off the trees that were trying to leaf out, and pretty good sized pieces of hail. So probably dime size.
Okay. All right, yeah, well, we appreciate that report.
So we're going to try to, we got one coming from the south, too.
Yeah.
So maybe we're going to set here.
Okay, and if you get strong winds with the line of storms, we'd like that, too.
I'm not sure with that line coming in, what kind of wind I got yet, but me and 103 are here in Navarre, so.
Okay. All right. Well, sounds good. Thanks so much.
All right. Thank you.
Yep.
Bye-bye. So, if you want to stay here, try to get this.
You might want to give Country a call and tell him to be ready for that.